Olivia, what'd you get? What is it? Hello, looking good.
Can you do a twirl?
All right.
Here.
You want to try this one on?
No.
That's it?
It's already gone and digested.
Yeah.
What was that? Was that like a modeling look?
Oh, let's put it on.
Show us. Go like this. Do that again.
Leave this one.
Teddy, get off.
What?
That's right. I don't know.
Hey,
It's the whole girl
you.
dress. She
What?
shoes, the little shiny sit-down shoes, like and stuff like that.
Look at all this stuff, Owen.
Loves them.
Mama went crazy at the consignment
I
sale.
know, they're Hawaiian flowers.
Look at this. Mama went crazy. What's this? It's for the dogs? Are you serious?
You know where she gets it.
Wow. What a... Owen, you're naked. Why? How did Owen get naked?
We're gonna do a fashion show of his Hawaii outfit.
How you naked?
Come here, you little Hawaiian baby. Come here, you. Malikaliki Maka is Hawaii's way
We're going white.
to say Merry Christmas.
Jetty,
Here.
break those out,
There we
Jenna.
We
go.
can't go out Hawaii yet.
We're going to Hawaii the month after you're going to Hawaii.
Haven't I got Hawaii after Hannah got too small as a little baby?
Yeah,
Hannah's a little baby right
he's a little baby right now. Yeah.
You'll be a big kid like you one day.
I
Olivia.
am right now.
It's like a real life baby doll.
You smiling.
Oh, and you're kicking your shorts
What are you
up.
thinking? Blah, 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 blah.
Let's see.
Oh,
and you
boy.
can't eat anything. Hi.
Oh,
Let's see the baby. Oh, Owen. Jenna, look at him.
Get in there with him, Olivia. Look at you two. Sit down. Sit down.
Oh, look at you.
All right, looking good. Oh,
Ginger.
oh, look at these two.
Ginger. Ginger.
Owen, you look so handsome. Oh my gosh.
I got a pink one for you, Ginger.
We gotta get a picture of this.
That's too